Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. If there's one fact that crosses all through our readings for today, the Thursday after the celebration of Ash Wednesday, we are once led to the reality of our own choosing. And if we are to choose what's for and what's next, or what to choose in reality, is another question. Tama na may pagpili, katotohanan na pumipili tayo araw-araw, ngunit ang susunod na tanong ay, ano nga ba ang ating dapat piliin? And in sum, the readings today would like to challenge us as another way of preparing ourselves to celebrate Lent in a wonderful and significant way is to choose something significant, to choose something holy, and to choose something that is life-giving. And I hope that will be the challenge for today, that whatever we are to choose today, it is significant, it is holy, it is life-giving. Through Moses, the Lord delivered choices to people. Will you be choosing life or death? Will you be choosing prosperity over other riches? But the Lord Himself is clear. His invitation is clear and strong, that we shall choose prosperity, that we shall choose life. For choosing such things are but significant choices, holy choices, and life-giving choices. We turn to the gospel today, this significant standard of someone following the Lord, that someone who follows the Lord may choose to take up his cross, deny himself, and follow the Lord. Dahil ang pagbubuhat sa krus, ang pagtalikod sa ating mga sarili, once more, are but significant choices, holy choices, and life-giving choices. After this Mass, you might be prompted or there might things that would appear before you, choosing between two strong things. Maybe just for an example, you are here celebrating the Mass during these hours of lunchtime, taking or denying yourself for a little comfort to face the Lord. That is a significant choice. That is a holy choice. That is a life-giving choice. Maybe during these days or week, you will be confronted by your sons or daughters, by family members with a certain problem, a certain concern, a certain dilemma in your community. Ano ba yung gagawin ho ninyo? Yung pipiliin nyo ho ba yung ikapapahamak ng relasyon ninyo o isang bagay na magpapabanal at magbibigay buhay sa ating buhay? This is, we are just on the second day of Lent. And the readings would like to invite us, choose what is significant, what is holy, and life-giving. And let this form our hearts to celebrate the wonders of the resurrection and the wonders of a life with choices giving life and with choices that leads others to the love of God.